jogando fidget toys com meu irmão.
Green to purple, green to purple, green to purple, green to purple, green to purple.
I bet I could pop all of these before you like, comment, and share. Starting in 3, 2, oh wait, move the camera this way. 3, 2, 1. Did I win?
Hey guys, I bet you I could pop all these 5 pockets before you can like, follow, and share. And you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating and it's not. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Did you win?
I'm the girl you die for. I'll cheer you up and I'll spit you out, cause that's what your love is all about. So pull me closer and kiss me hard. I'm gonna pop your bubblegum hard.
You'll fidget if you scroll. You'll fidget if you like. You'll fidget if you comment. You'll fidget if you share to 5 friends. You'll fidget if you follow. And you'll fidget if you do all.
That I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1. Go on.
Let's make something yummy in my popper. First, I'm filling every little hole with a mini marshmallow. I feel like the mini version of everything is just automatically better. Next, I broke up a chocolate bar and we're going to melt it in the microwave. I put it in for 30 seconds 3 different times so that the chocolate would be completely melted. During that time, I crushed up some graham crackers. I'm sure you figured out what this is going to be based off of the ingredients. After all the chocolate was melted, I took it out of the microwave and started spooning it over the marshmallows. I think this looks so creamy and delicious. After covering it in chocolate completely, I sprinkled some graham crackers for a finishing touch. Okay, this is the finished product. I'm pretty impressed with myself for getting it out in one piece.